Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making this African print halter top. It's like a very simple and easy DIY to make. And so if I'm wearing this, I wouldn't just wear it like that. Like I would wear it maybe by the poolside, or if I'm going to the beach, which I haven't been to in years, or maybe if I intend to wear this outside, like maybe to town, or then I would wear a blazer or a denim jacket or a leather jacket just to cover up the back, because the back is like completely bare and I wouldn't want to walk around naked. So if you would like to see how to make an African print halter top, like, then just keep on watching. And I'm also going to be having another halter top sometime next week. I'm going to upload a video on how to make another halter top, which like a different style to this one. So just be on the watch out, you guys. Okay, so the first thing that I did was to measure my two pieces of fabric, my African print fabric and my lining fabric, and then I just put them together and I put the right sides facing each other. Then I just started pinning the edges. So these fabrics were 17 inches wide, which was basically I measured from the top of from where my neck starts down to my navel, and I added about 3 inches for seam allowance, and then I measured 30 inches for my waist, so it was 17 by 30 inches long. Then I just continued to put pins all around, and I left a small space of about 10 centimeters, which I was going to use to turn inside out. Then I later sewed all over those pins on the edges, and I only left a seam allowance of maybe less than 1 inch. So here I'd already finished sewing. I was done sewing, and then using that little space that I had left, I now turned it inside out. And I later sewed the space that I left for turning inside out on the sewing machine. And then I just ironed everything. I just pressed it out to make sure that it's nice and flat. And then I now started folding in about 1 inch from the edges, on the longer sides, from the 30-inch sides. And I just started folding and pinning using my pins. This is the part where I'm going to insert the drawstring. And I did this on both sides, the two long sides. As you can see, I did the same thing on the other side as well, just folding 1 inch and then pinning. Then when I was done, I sewed that on the sewing machine. And when I was done, I sewed that on the sewing machine. So after sewing, it looked something like that. Then this is my drawstring. I basically measured 1 inch of fabric, and then I folded both edges inwards, and then I just sewed over that. So I had 2 pieces that were both 2 yards long, and then I just used a safety pin to insert them on both edges like that. And I did the same thing for the other side. And then for the side that I was going to put over my neck, I just gathered it and pulled it together like that. And then I now just added some decorative beads, and that was pretty much the end of the DIY. It also helps to make sure that the drawstring does not get lost inside the fabric. On the track. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am really pleased with the results and how it turned out, and so I would really like to see you again in my next videos. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you can be notified. And trust me, it's always something new and something different, but it's always African print, and it's always not always a DIY, it's always African print. Okay, so see you in my next one, guys. Bye. Quickly before I go, I would like to ask you something. Is this a bird or is it a fish? I actually got into an argument with my sister concerning this print, and she was saying that this is basically a bird. She said it's a fish and the blue whatever is water, but I think it's a bird. And this, to me, the blue actually looks like the sky. So please guys, let me know, is this a bird? Are these birds or are these fish? Okay, is it a bird in the sky? Are these birds in the sky, or is it fish in the water? Let me know, guys. Or if you see something totally different, please let me know. To me, they look like birds flying in the sky. So please let me know what you think in the comments.